I'm Marco from M.A.R.CO Furniture, Refinishing and Restoration in Kempville. Today's Sunday, so it's my day off. And usually on my day off, because I have a small store with my business, I like to either find some furniture, do a little bit of traveling around. In the summer I do it on my bike, in the winter I do it in my truck, but I go around and see if there's anything I can find special that I can put in the store. Today, what I was thinking about doing is, it was almost 3 years ago that I was at a party in the backwoods here, the backwoods of North Augusta, at a buddy's place, and his name is Tyler Jakalaski, but we call him Dozer. And one of the only things I really remember from that party was a dresser that I saw there. And we cleaned up the place so that we could have the party, and during that whole process I found this dresser. So at the time I claimed that dresser. I talked to Dozer and said, you know, can I have that dresser? And he, at that time, he was all good. You can have the dresser. There was no problem. Actually, I asked for it after I just gave him a welder, a MIG welder. So I thought it was pretty good timing. But that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to take a travel over there. It's out in the backwoods. This is hillbilly country in a lot of the places here. It's a lot of fun. The people here are a lot of fun. There's a lot of biking activity around here, a lot of rodeos. And Dozer actually is a very, very skilled motorcycle rider. Cleans up in most of the rodeos and events here, and he's a fun guy to ride with, and the whole family is fun. So I'm going to give him a call and see if I can't get him on the phone and ask him, first off, if he remembers that dresser, and secondly, would he give me the dresser, and does he have the time today to go over? I really want that dresser. When I saw it, I thought to myself, okay, I have to get this dresser. It's going to go to waste here. He'll probably burn that some night. And to me, if I remember correctly, there was a fleur-de-lis on the front of the dresser. It was a grayish blue color. So anyways, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give him a call and see if I can't get a hold of him and get that dresser. Probably put it on speaker. It'd be pretty interesting to see what he has to say. Turn it up a little bit. Well, this should be interesting. Hey Dozer, what's going on? Listen, remember a few years ago we had that party over at your building out in the boonies there, back in North Augusta? Yeah. At the time, I don't know if you remember, but I spotted a dresser, and you said I could have that dresser, no problem. I was just wondering how you felt about that today.
Yeah, I burned it.
What? You still got that dresser? Okay, you didn't burn it? Okay, well, just earlier, it's funny you said that, because just earlier I was saying to Dorothy, I better go over and get that dresser before you burn it, and that's no kidding. I just said it 2 minutes ago. But anyways, I got the dresser, and I don't want it for nothing. I got a bit of a proposal for you. So when I get over there, do we have to search for it? Do I need a safety helmet?
No, I'll bring the key for the door, and then we'll find the tunes on the way in.
Okay, I'm bringing my safety helmet anyways. It was a bit rough over there last time.
Alright.
Okay.
Well,
Yeah. So what's a good time to come over? 3:30?
Oh, what time is it now?
It's about 2:30.
2:30? Maybe over there in half hour or so.
Half hour or so?
Yeah.
Okay, well, just give me a text when you're there and I'll head it over.
Hey, I'm just 2 minutes up the road, so give me a buzz when you're leaving, and I'll meet you there.
Okay, is Mini Dozer with you?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was pretty good. got a hold of Dozer, and I think I just finished saying I better get over and get that before he burns it. And what's the first thing he said? That he burnt it. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is, you know, I don't want to take the dresser for nothing. I really like that dresser. It's probably something that I could do something with and maybe keep it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably fix that all up. I'm gonna do a little bit of research, find out where the dresser came from, how old it is, that sort of thing. It's nothing special to a lot of people, but it's pretty cool. I really like it. And what I'm going to propose to do is I'll clean that all up and fix it up and put it in the store. And Dozer's son, we call him Mini Dozer, he just started racing go-karts. I think it's on Wednesday nights in Brockville. It's on a dirt track. So that costs quite a bit of money to have that going all the time. And his parents are both work, but still it's costs money. So we'll probably sell that dresser and give him that money towards gas for the season. So that is my hook when I get over there. So it should be interesting. See you in a few minutes.
Where are you going like that?
Like what?
Like that?
Oh, I'm going over to see Dozer.
You're gonna drive.
Hey?
You're gonna drive down the road like that.
Yep. It's dangerous back there. That's nothing. I'm prepared. I got everything. I'm gonna get over there before Dozer burns that. See you later.
You're a man on a mission.
A man on a mission. Okay, let's go. Oh, we're good here. We won't be needing this. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so there's the dresser, eh?
Yeah.
That's how I remember it. That's nice. Move some of the stuff around here. So what do you think, Dozer? Think I'm going to be able to get this?
I don't know.
What is that? Is that a fleur de lis, you think?
We be tabernacle.
Something similar to it anyways? I'm not sure exactly what it is.
I don't really know.
But you see how like a lot of people think you could just, you'd have to strip that and start all over again. But there's a lot of people that like these dressers just the way they are, just like this. Generally what they do is they just take some of this off so it's not sticking out. And then they just use a wax and wax it all. But I may have somebody that's actually really interested in this. He's a French guy that I do a lot of work for. And this is the type of stuff that he brings me. It might be missing a door, or the hinges might be broken or something like that. So
Yeah.
I'll repair it all and give it back to him. And then sometimes I'll even have to match up this finish. So I know he'll be interested in it. If I can't get the money out of it that I'd want from him, though, I'll put it up for sale.
Mm-hmm.
But if you want to give it to me, I have a proposal.
Uh-oh.
So first off, just before I give you the proposal, I could probably butter you up a little bit.
Oh.
So your son left his hat at the
Yeah,
house, and there's that iPhone
Oh, goody.
that I promised that I'd give him.
Somebody would be pretty happy.
I think it's an iPhone 5, 4, 5. I don't know much about them. But anyways, the other thing that we can do is, if you want, I don't want anything out of it. I just don't want it to go to waste,
Yeah.
to rot or whatever. I see it's missing the bottom here, but I can replace it with an old bottom. I have old bottoms from other dressers. We can replace that and just make sure everything works and functions. But I can sell that, and I know your son's racing dirt track, go-kart. I know it's a bit expensive, so whatever we make off the dresser, I'll give it to you, and you can use it for Carson, and that'll be his money for the summer for racing. What do you think of that? Can we do that?
Absolutely.
Perfect. Okay, perfect. So I'll clean it up and load it up and get out of your hair, and we'll see you on another day.
Righto.
Perfect.